Time to make breakfast. Fresh eggs. Wait, whoa. What the heck? Should we eat it? Wow. Will I grow big and tall if I eat this egg? Oh my goodness. Look at the size of her. She's huge and beautiful. What should we do? Should we eat her? All right. Let's do it. We need this nutrition. Wow. Magnificent. Oh my God, I sort of hate to cook her. But then again, Mama's gotta eat. Be careful. Don't break the yolks. Whoa. Oh, broke one. And there's a thingy thing. Better get that out. Well, we'll let you know how she tastes. Coming along. A pinch of salt during cooking can make a difference. Little bubbly wobbly. Should we turn them? I can only use this. It's just got the right curve. Maybe one more minute. Over easy or sunny side up? That's the question. Now we get it over easy. Now we can turn the heat off. They cook so fast now. Time to eat them. The whole point is the gooey yolk. And now let's test it. I always do a little extra avocado oil. Or olive oil, a little salt. Bon appetit, guys. Love you.